guys, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. These new releases will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern, and I'm really excited about some of the kits this week. Well, actually all of the kits, but I'm excited about one in particular, which I'll tell you guys more about then. And then also this week's wiggle is really, really cool. I was looking through all the wiggles that I have available to release, and I was like, let's do this one. I'm going to keep this week's releases pretty short and sweet. It'll kind of be this way for the next couple of weeks just because of keeping everything smooth and production smooth and things like that. But I just wanted to come on here really quickly and tell you guys hi and thank you for watching this video. But let's go ahead and get into this week's releases. So let's go ahead and show you guys the wiggle first. This is for sure one that I want to show you guys in different lightings because this is called Black Prism. It's similar to Oil Slick, but it has a prism look in it versus just the Oil Slick. So I hope that comes across well in the video, but it's really pretty and it's in the chunky, which I think is so cool. So this would go with anything that you think black would look good with, and it has a little bit of a greeny blue shift to it. So you have, this is the chunky format. I don't know if we've done the chunky format yet, but you have a variety of different deco pieces, so you can switch it up. You have the food and drink doodles, the circle icons, and then the date numbers. You have 6 of these here. So you have on each page 7 header overlays, 14 half cut headers, which I did use half cut headers in last week's Plan With Me in place of Bougie if you guys want to see that. And then 2 full box overlays, and again you get 6 of those sheets. There is also this sheet here with icons and scribble print stuff on the bottom. You have some really pretty black scripts, and then last but not least you have the bottom washi 15mm overlay, whatever you want to call it. But this is a really, really fun one, definitely really unique, and I think you guys are going to love it. Gonna be good for so many kids, but let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Really excited about that one. Let's go into this week's kits. So I have 2 exclusive arts and then 1 that is not exclusive art. So I'll show you guys the non-exclusive art first. Zoom you in a little bit. So this is called Work From Home, and this art was just released this week. There's so much good art coming out, guys, and I'm just trying to hone in and just not freak out all the time. But this is such a cute collection. So this is the ultimate kit. So we're obviously in our new format. The only kit that will not be in our new format that hasn't been released yet is the 6-year bundle, which I'm waiting on one more item for. But other than that, I'm probably going to push it till the end of May, even though that's when our 6-year was. I was going to do it in the beginning of May to do it before I birth, but I'm probably just going to push it to the end of May to do it after I birth. But it is such a good bundle, guys. It's my favorite bundle we've ever done. Ever. And I'm so excited. But anyways, that's the only one that'll be in the old format. So everything moving forward will be in our new format. So here you have your 8 full boxes. This is so pretty. I think want to use this in May. I want to do a whole all of May. May has so many things though. I'm just gonna have to look over my schedule. Isn't that why I feel like everyone's just looking over their schedule now? I love everything about this. I think it's super cute. I love the little sandwich and the avocados, and just this page is one of my new favorite pages. Is anyone else feeling the vibes for this page? You have the functional, you have the half boxes, you have this new page with the icons, you do have the to-do on this one, you have the little things, you have the functional page, and then last but not least you have the bottom washi, which I kept pretty simple, and then the little freebie is just the Munchkin Head freebie. One of my favorite elements about this actually is these flowers. I'm just kind of high-key in love with them. I just think it's a really cute kit, perfect for if we were working at home or just kind of vibes of office vibes. It also does come in a mini kit. I'll show you guys this one, and then the rest of them follow suit with similar format, so we'll skip over those ones. But all kits this week do come in a mini and an ultimate format. So there's the full boxes, the deco page. These colors also, by the way, are pretty phenomenal. Half boxes, and then your bottom washi. It's just so good. And I feel like this one you could also use pretty much any foil you want to. From the core foils, I think for this would be a really cool one to do rose gold with. But also you could do silver, you could do gold, you could do a mixed metal. It's really up to you. There is options for add-ons. So you do have the 15mm strip. You do have the label sampler if you want to add that on, the glitter headers, and last but not least, I love these fashion girls. They're so pretty. I love this girl here with her blush. It just is very, very pink on her face, and I'm just here for it. And the tattoos, I think it's super cute. Now let's go on to the custom art. So this one here is called K, and this is based off of Kirsten, which is Kirsten Plans here on YouTube. I will link her down below. I'm pretty sure she's using this kit this week unless she's changed her mind. And this has been done for forever. I have a couple more Planner Girl kits coming out. It does also come in a mini kit, and we are going to be doing unlimited stock for the first 48 hours still as of right now. If anything changes in the next releases, I will let you guys know. But this is based off of Kirsten, and I just think it is so dang cute. I'm just here for it. So you have like a bunch of different like kind of like horror, thriller, horror novels. You have a candle, a little not a bedroom, living room scene, a book, like little Kirsten glasses, little necklaces AR. And it's very homey too. So you have like a little like kids table set up. You have the outfit that Kirsten would totally wear. She probably wore something like that today. And then the little blankets. Like this is literally like I imagine Kirsten every day. This is like her life. This is just Kirsten's life for sure. And then you have like the little family here, which I just think is super cute. On the extra page here, you have a little Estelle cloud with some stickers, a Target red card, and then some kids' outfits. And then you have Dunkin' Donuts, and then you have her little like Instagram with the kit, which is super cute. And obviously, you have a bunch of different items that you can use functionally or decoli. Decoli? Is that a new word? It quite possibly could be. And these are really, really pretty colors. I think they're very like anytime, but I think also kind of fallish, which I'm kind of here for. And then you have the bottom washi. And then last but not least, you have the Munchkin head freebie. So that is the Kirsten or K kit. I think we still have that other kit in the shop that's called Kirsten. That was just kind of like art that reminded me of Kirsten. So that is the ultimate kit. There is the option if you add on the 15mm strip. There is the option if you add on the glitter headers. There is the option if you want to add on the label sampler. And then with all of these like inspired, inspired like Planner Girl kits, I did just like another girl that just has different hair colors, so you can pull those in if you didn't want to use like a Kirsten box. So this is just a girl with a backpack from the back. So that is the K kit. And then last but not least, I'm so excited, and I know a lot of you guys asked me about this. I get so many messages when this kit's coming out, so I'm really excited to be finally releasing it. And it's kind of surreal because I will be delivering in 2 weeks. I am going to be I'm going to do the 39-week elective induction. I have many, many reasons, so I'll probably go into those in a plan with me, but there was a lot of like back and forth in my mind. I have induced prior, so I do know that it's like, I do know what comes along with induction, so, but it's in 2 weeks, which is kind of crazy, and I'm very, very excited to finally meet my little baby and to be done being pregnant because I am so uncomfortable. I have so many nightmares. I have been having like Charlie horses in my calves like all night in the middle of the night. I wake up in so much pain. I'm just ready for it to be done. I know newborn life. Obviously, I have a 2-year-old, 2.5-year-old almost. Oh my goodness, it'll be 2.5 this month. And I know that that's like its own like struggle, but I'm ready. I'm done. And then whenever I complain about newborn life, you guys remind me how much I complained about pregnancy life. So this is called Baby Magic, and it's going to be like my coming home week kit spread. And if you guys didn't know, I'm kind of doing like lots of different like Disney things as far as like how I announced and the gender reveal thing, and then also kind of like his name's like kind of Disney-y but like not planned, but when I found out like how it is, I was like yes. But anyways, I just love this, and it's custom art, so you won't see it anywhere else. I love everything about this. I love the colors. It's very like gender neutral. You could use it for any baby. You could use it if you just want to use it just because it's cute. Like I would definitely be here for it. I think it could go with a different, like all different kinds of foils, whether you wanted to do like a pastel foil that we have in a shop, or you wanted to do a silver or a gold, or you wanted to do a hollow or sparkly hollow. I just think it's a really pretty one that you can use so much with. So you have tons of different elements in here that you can just pause and look at and just be like, ah, so pretty, so cute. So then here you have your extra full boxes, and I'm just like just look at them. Just take a moment and soak it all in. I am here for it. It's just so pretty. And then the faux glitter throughout is just kind of like a multicolor of the colors in the kit, which is really pretty. That's fun. I like doing that whenever I feel like lots of foils could work really well with it, because then you can kind of pick your foil, but the glitter doesn't look like weird deco. Oh my god, it's so pretty. And then you have the bottom washi, which is really simple and beautiful. And then the Munchkin head freebie. There are add-on options, of course. I couldn't couldn't not do add-on options for this one because it's so pretty. I love it so much. It's everything that I could ask for and so much more. That's kind of like I was listening to a song with a lyric of that earlier from my youths, if you guys know that song. Well, it's everything I could ask for and so much more. So let me know if you know that song. So let's go over the add-ons. So there is the 15mm strip if you want to add that on. There is the label sampler if you want to add that on. And last but not least, there is the glitter headers if you do want to add that on. And then we have some fan boxes because you know I could not do fan boxes. So you have a tall girl over here that's pregnant, which is super cute. You have like a little sweet baby, which is like the cutest drawn baby I've ever seen. Sometimes babies look like super creepy when they're drawn, but this is like amazing. You got like the little kids and the babies. You got the little extra room because I figured like you have this one, which is the double box seam, but this is a little more centered, and I'm thinking this is gonna look good with a quote box on it. And then you kind of have the scene without like dedicating two for the double box because I know like you're gonna want to use all of these. And then you have the welcome home baby little sign, and then the cloud with just the like little couple here, and it's just so cute. So again, as per usual, you have all 6 fam options. Literally living for it. So excited. I can't wait. That's so cute. It's everything. It's everything. And I remember when I saw the art, like it came in. This came in so long ago. Like months. Like probably like 4 months ago. It's so good. It's so good. It's so good. So that's everything for this week. Again, these new releases go on the site Wednesday at noon Eastern. I am going to be closing the site sometime this week, like before new releases, because I want to do like a big, like kind of like deep clean of the order station. So I'm going to like be moving some stuff around and like taking some things down and things like that. So like old stuff, nothing new. So that is going to be happening. I might do it maybe Tuesday afternoon and then just reopen Wednesday, but just so you guys know, if you guys see the shop closes, it's definitely a planned situation. So that is everything for this week. I hope that you guys like this week's new releases. I cannot wait to use these kits. They are so pretty and so cute. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next video.